Hello, friends. We made it to day 3, and I'm so excited that you have joined me to continue and actually close out this 3-day design challenge. Now, I want to test your memory. There's a favorite song that I have that I usually sing with my students everywhere that I go. Let me see if you guys know it. If you know it, sing along to it. Ready? Fonts, shapes, colors, lines. Fonts, shapes, colors, lines. Fonts, shapes, colors, lines. Fonts, shapes, colors, lines. Now, if you don't know the song, I'm going to give you an opportunity to go back to some of my older videos and learn the song and sing along with us. Now, we're going to jump right into today's lesson. I'm so excited. It's going to be fun. You guys are going to do something very, 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 very special that I'm so excited to share with you. So come along with me as we hop into today's design challenge. You ready? Let's do it. Come on. I forgot to share something. So we have a student we want to highlight, and the work that we want to highlight today is from the first day of our challenge. Now I want you guys to take a look, and I want you in the comment section to comment, celebrate, show so much love for the work that this child put in to create this. All right, go ahead and take a look. All right, awesome job. Please go ahead and comment in the section celebrating all the emojis, all the love to support what they've created. All right, now, let's really jump into the lesson. All right, so I'm so excited to share what we're going to do today. And drum roll. Today, we are going to work on creating our own animation today, which I'm so excited. You guys are going to animate a character of your choice, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So now let's go ahead and get started. So by now, you already have your Adobe Express account set up because your parents or your teachers helped you to do so, and you're already on the home screen because you guys have been creating wonderful things so far. So you're on the home screen, and it's going to say, I don't know the positioning for each of you, but for me, it's going to be the first one. So it's animate characters. Some of you, it might be in the middle. Some of you, it might be on the end, but it's going to be where it says more ways to start. So you guys are going to go, when you're on the home screen, you'll have this above. And then the next thing you'll see is more ways to start right here. For me is animate characters. So we're going to jump right into that. So you're going to press on animate characters. All right, so go ahead and press animate characters. Okay, so you're going to press on that like this, boom, and right away what pops up is all of these different characters. Now my favorite character to use, which you guys have seen in the previous videos, is my friend called Christian the Crayon, but you have other options. There is Xenon, there's Magnuson, there's Barnaby, there's Bo, you have so many, Janice, Kurt. So you have so many different options that you can pick from. There's Mush Love. This sounds very exciting. And then you have Seth. So you have all of these options that you can use. Now, for today's theme, I would love and encourage us to stick to animals. Okay? So we're going to pick any animal. Let's see what animal I want to choose. Oh, there's Zach. Zach is the shark. All right, so, there's also Phil. So let's see, I have so many options. There's Cornelius the monkey, Jordan, Basil, which is a dog. I like dogs. What's your favorite dog? And there's Cassie, Riley, Dakota, Charger. All right, so I'm going to pick any. Oh, there's Goat. That one seems fun. So I have so many options to pick from. Oh, there's Stardust, the unicorn. And then there's the sloth. This one's kind of cool. I think I'm going to go with the sloth. It just feels kind of fun. So I'm going to go with the sloth. Now, if you guys remember from our previous videos, in order to make this smaller, you have to do what? You have to hold down on the circle right here, and you're going to pull, drag down, right? Okay. Now, if you want to make it bigger, you drag up, right? So bigger, drag out, smaller, drag in. And we're going to make this, I'm liking this size. So we're going to put it here. I'm going to just kind of play around with the placement. Now, that's the character I'm going to use. Next thing I'm going to use is I'm going to change the background. Now, I have the option of making it a color. I can make it any color I want. If you remember, we can...
Hey, my name is Christian. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Continue to enjoy this video.
To make your own custom or choose your own color, you go to custom and you can slide this little circle and it'll change the color, any color that you want. And then you choose this other one to choose a different, what I like to call a different hue, right? A different shade of the blue. So if I go to yellow or green, let's go to yellow, orange, let's go to orange. It gives me different hue. Did you guys know that brown is a certain hue or type of orange? It comes from the orange family. That's pretty cool, right? So you have the orange. I think I like the way that this sloth looks on the orange. So that's one option. Let's see what the other options I have. This blue looks cool too. I think I like the orange more though. Let's go back to the orange. Well, that one looks cool too. All right. All right, let's, if you guys can't tell, I really like the color orange. So let's choose this orange. We could use that, or we could play around and have different backgrounds that you can select from. Now you can decide. We have the park entrance, so it's pretty cool to have a sloth hanging out in front of your park. You have the circus, teddy bears. It's kind of interesting, but again, your choice on what you want to do with that. Nature, we can have him hanging out in the nature, which I think is very fitting for him. I'm going to make him a him. I like to call him a him. And let's see what the other options. We have spring jungle. This one fits perfectly. I think this one was like made for the sloth. But I don't want to make it exact. I want to get kind of creative. Oh, we have this one too, summer jungle. Swirl. This one seems so fun. We have splatter pink, pow. We have so many options. So you can choose anything that you want to choose, right? So many options that you can choose from. But I'm going to go ahead and decide. Well, this one's kind of cool. Mustard. Your purple. Swirl. I think I'm going to choose one. Let's see. I'm going to choose anyone. Let's go with boom. I like this one. Let's go with this one, right? So again, you can choose any type that you want, right? And then I can choose the size. So I can adjust the size to be square. I can make it look like the dimensions of a reel, which means I'd have to make this smaller so that it fits. I can make it a portrait. I can make it a landscape, which allows me to make it almost like a video, right? So here I have my options, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my voice so that you'll see it. I'm going to record so that it's going to animate this character for me. So you guys ready? Ooh. All right, let's see what it does. Hello, my name is Sloth the Larry, and I'm so excited that you are watching me today. Now, I'm going to talk about my time at the zoo. Are you excited to hear about it? Now, let's see what happens. I should have paused it before I did it, but we'll see what happens. Let's see. It's loading. Loading, loading. All right, let's see. Computing head movement. So this is just telling me that it's connecting my voice to what we created. All right, let's see what happens. Exporting. I'm excited to see what happens. Ooh, all right, let's watch it together. Hello, now I'm gonna edit the last part because I don't really want that part in there. So let's see what it says now. There we go. All right, now to go a little further with our animation, I'm gonna press open in editor. Now, if I was complete with my design, I can press download and it'll download the video. But I'm gonna add some more to it. You guys ready to do that? Let's do it. All right, so now it's loading, it's saving file. Now, again, my video is here. All right, so now I'm gonna add, let's say I wanna add something to it. So let's say I wanna add some elements to it. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to, if you guys remember elements, And let's say I wanted to add, I don't know, something from a jungle. So I'll type in jungle, and right away it gives me some leaves, or plants rather. And I can make this bigger. Now, of course, I'm not going to keep this here, but you had the option to. So let's delete that. I'm not really liking it. So let's go back and see what else they have. So they have, they have leaves, there's icons, there's backgrounds. So let's say I wanted to add some leaves to it. Again, you can get as creative as possible. That's all up to you. Let's say I wanted to add some leaves. So I wanted to add this leaf because this feels a bit better because it's cartoonish. So I'm adding the leaves, again, to just fill out what my design looks like. Let's go back. I want to add a little more, so let's add some more. Boom. All right, let's see what else they have for me. I like this one. This doesn't really match this one, but we'll just, we're going to get creative. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just has to look good. And we are going to rotate this. I would love to rotate this. All right, so if you guys remember, we're going to go to this rotate button to rotate it. So we're going to rotate this, and it's going to go over there in the corner. Let's see what.
Hey, my name is Christian. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Continue to enjoy this video.
What other leave options we have. There's this one. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, just has to look cool and has to work with the design. We're going to rotate it, have it be in this corner over here. Let's duplicate this. If you guys remember, you're going to go to this 3 and press duplicate, and then you have leaves. So we're going to rotate that and put it over here. And I'm going to duplicate this one as well and put it over here. So we're going to duplicate this by pressing this button up here. Press duplicate. We're going to move it over, rotate it, and we're just going to add it, right? So we have leaves in the corner. All right. So now I want to add, let's say I want to add some words, right? If you guys remember, we're going to add some words. And let's see how we're going to do it. And today, because we're animating stuff, I want to just, let's keep it all animated. So we're going to say, let's say, welcome to my channel, right? Let's say we're giving Sloth a YouTube channel. So welcome to my channel. All right. So we're going to move this over so that it's in this spot here. I'm going to change the font because I'm not too much of a friend of this font. This one feels cool. I'm going to capitalize my words though. Welcome to my channel. All right. So Mr. Sloth Friend has his own YouTube channel, right? And if we wanted to change the height, or rather the spacing between the two lines, we would go here. This makes it smaller. This makes it wider. Now I want to keep it somewhat close. And this is also, again, line spacing. Now if I wanted to space out my letters, I'd press this. This is also called kerning. Again, kerning. So we're going to make it smaller. That looks very squished, but we're going to make it a little wide. So welcome to my channel. All right. Now if I wanted to make the size of the font bigger, I'd press this button, or I can make it smaller by using these corners here, and it makes it small for me. I can change the color. Again, if you go over here, we can change the colors. All right, so you have all of these options for the colors you want to make it. All right. Now, because this is an animation, we're going to animate it. All right. So we're going to go up here where it says animation. And we have so many options. We can do fade. We can do flicker, which is doing that thing right now. Or we can do typewriter. We can have it drift in. We can have it dropped. We can have it even spin, slide in, rise up, tumbling, which I think that tumbling is pretty cool. Let's see what other options. We have grow. We have bounce. I like that one. Shrink. I think my favorite one so far was the tumbling. It just feels fun. All right. So now let's watch our video. All right. So today you guys are gonna create. You're gonna create your own animated character, and you can do whatever you want with it. Again, you can add to it. I'm just giving you guys a starter for what you can do, but you always have the option to do a lot more than what I've taught you. I'm just giving you a head start. All right. So again, let's see if we want to add anything else. Let's see. Let's see what else is here. Uh, let's see what I want to add. What's this? This is giving like grass. Oh, we have more plants. All right. Oh, let's do something. So you can also animate this. You can also animate the plants that are here. So how we just animated this spins. Now we can make it spin more. You can go really soft. You can go really energetic and fast. Spin really, really fast. So if we play it, you can go really, 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 really fast. So you have the option. Let's see. Let's choose one over here. So if we spin this one, it can go slow. We can make it go really, really fast and spin really, really loud. This one can spin fast, intensity, and we can also determine how long it's going to spin for, right? So you have the option. You can also change the direction in which it spins. So you have so many choices with this. Let's say, all right, so now we're going to test out what we just created. And let's start from the top. All right, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so just like that, you have just learned how to create your own character. Of course, you're gonna do 10 more, and we're gonna make some more videos on how we can get more creative with creating characters, and you can even create a whole show utilizing characters. So I'm so excited to continue doing this with you. Stay tuned, and again, celebrate yourself for making it to day 3, the final day of our amazing design challenge. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. And just like that, our 3-day design challenge is over, and I'm so sad to see you all go. But that doesn't mean, guess what? It's the end of working with me, because guess what? We'll be making more videos, and I would love for you all to continue to, again, like, share, subscribe to this channel, the videos. Let's keep this going. Let's keep growing in our design together. Stay tuned for more exciting news. Stay tuned for more activities, and please be so proud of your little ones. Little ones, be proud of yourself. Missy is so proud of you. Until next time, friends. Bye.